So this is a small tutorial on how to bleed the ink tubes on a DesignJet 1050C. I've had the ink system apart. What actually happened is just inside here, this part here that the needle from the head goes into. It's connected to the tube system by a small rubber sleeve. Over time these deteriorate and they start leaking. You can see the amount of cyan that's still about on the carriage. Since taking it apart, it's now got air in the ink system. You can see the tubes here have air in them. I've already done the first two, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, HP would say you need a set of heads called startup heads. Now these, even from China, come in about £60 at the minimum mark, whereas this is a very simple procedure, and you can do this with a small £10 kit from eBay. Kit comprises of a syringe, a needle, a special funnel, we'll go into that later, and this part clips onto your print head, because in my case I've ran the printer with the empty tubes and the print heads are now empty of ink as well, so I need the ink replenished in the print heads, and this wee kit will fill up the print head as well. So we'll go back to the printer. So the first stage we need to do is we just go round to the back. Now I've just removed this access panel. It's just two small screws here, and it flips down. Now to pull the ink through these tubes would create a vacuum. So what you have to actually do is remove the air hose, which sits up there inside that bracket. There's a wee metal clip in the top. You depress the clip and pull out the air hose. That will allow you to suck the ink through the ink tubes. So we're going to try this on the black. Remove the black head, and we pop the syringe into there, and we just lift, and you can see it's purged, and all that first part there, that's all air, and you can see the tube is now filled completely. So this is a wee bit trickier to film, but we'll see how we get on. So you take this funnel that I showed you earlier, and what we do is we insert it. It's got a wee rubber grommet in the bottom. We insert it into the needle there, and then we take this part and the silicone insert, and we pop that in there. So it sticks out like that. I then pop this into here like this. Now we will have to just press this down. It doesn't quite hold it tight enough, but for the moment it's fine. So we take our ink and we fill it into the funnel. And then sit there. We remove the needle and we insert the needle into this silicone part here, as so, and then carefully pressing down here we pull this up. Now this is now pulling the ink through the print head. And purging the air that has accumulated out. I'm just going to wee bit more. Just gently pull it through. Don't pull too much, otherwise you'll end up with more air back in the system. And that's it. We can now remove the tube. Put that aside. Move the head. Give it a gentle wipe. And that should be it. Good for installing back into the printer. And here we have the nozzle check pattern. If we can compare this to the previous one. That was the previous one. You can see black is not working at all. Again, we can compare these side by side. That's how it was printing out. 0 black after ink purge. All black.